I had a car accident back in 2018 and unfortunately got badly hurt. My doctor was like, you might want to consider taking legal action because you're going to need surgery. I called and left a message, and within 10 minutes, Scott himself called me back, which it caught me off guard because I didn't expect the head of this law firm to call me back. They were really great throughout the whole process and keeping me informed of what was going on with the status of my case. When the case was settled, Scott's office did such an amazing job of making sure that everything was settled on both sides, with the insurance company, with the medical providers that I worked with throughout. They handled everything.
I'm a tractor-trailer driver. I had a big accident. I was rear-ended on the New Jersey Turnpike by another tractor-trailer. As that injury progressed, I started treatment, and then I realized I should look for an attorney. When I met with Scott and his team, they were very welcoming. They knew exactly what I wanted. They made me feel like family. They gave me direction each and every step of the way. They made it simple. I was very happy with the outcome of the case. I received a lot more than I ever expected.
One unfortunate evening, I ended up being attacked by a dog, and that experience led me to find somebody that could hopefully hold some folks accountable. What I really love about Scott and Robert is they have a lot of relationships in the field here, and that was evident in mediation, as Robert knew the judge we were talking to that was mediating it and was able to guide me in making sure that I represented myself well. I love the fact that they were communicative, the fact that they're down-to-earth people. They didn't treat me as a case number. I wasn't just a dog attack. I was a live human being to them.
I met Scott when I got into a car accident. I could barely walk. Scott offered to come to me instead of me going to him. I could not work after my surgeries, which led to worrying about finances. But Scott helped me not worry about financial aspects because he was there to help me. They always made me feel comfortable in the office. Scott always kept me posted and updated. If it wasn't Scott, it was his secretaries reaching out to me, making sure I had my appointments scheduled. If you were severely injured, I recommend you call Scott and at least tell him what happened and let him give you his best advice.